basically today is a National Law Day. On this very day, we are going to recapitulate the preamble of the Constitution. So I will request the members to read after my reading. So the Constitution of India, the preamble states is, we the people of India,
We, the people
We,
of
the
India,
people of India,
having solemnly resolved
will solemnly
constitute India into
constitute India
a sovereign socialist,
to a sovereign
secular democratic republic,
secular
and to citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty,
social and political liberty
of thoughts, expression, belief,
expression
and worship.
thought expression and worship.
Equality of status
Equality of
status
and of opportunity,
and
opportunity
and to promote
and promote
among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity
fraternity assuring the dignity
of the individual
of
of the individual
and the unity and integrity of the nation. Our Constituent Assembly,
assembly
26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt,
enact
and give to ourselves
to ourselves
this Constitution.
this constitution.
This was the actually preamble of the Constitution. Then we, as a aware citizen of the India, solemnly press to resolve whatever has been written. Now over to Aditya. आदित्य जी आपके
Okay, sir. So thank you very much, sir. The preamble of speech has been read by Honorable request every member to be mics in silent mode, please. That there is no unnecessary noise. I would just like to hear something about this Constitution of the world. At the time, it was adopted on 26th November 1949. After meticulous efforts of the leaders of that period, who worked for 2 years, 11 months and 18 days, our Constitution had 395 articles. Around 448 articles and 12 schedules are there and 25 parts. You can say the phenomena of our Constitution fundamental rights and fundamental duties, along with the directive principles of the state, which guide the states how they need to rule and what they need to do in the welfare of the people in general. मैं एक बार फिर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा ऑनरेबल प्रिंसिपल सर से कि अपनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के संबंध में कुछ जो खास महत्वपूर्ण बातें हैं, salient features, some important features, our principal sir is requested to highlight some salient features. Sir, I request you one. इसके अलावा अगर कोई मेंबर अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के बारे में कोई खास महत्व की बातें रखना चाहता है तो उसका भी स्वागत है सर प्लीज.
So whatever has been mentioned in the Constitution, as a aware citizen, we have to not only obey, but we are abide by the rules and regulations. And under that head, some expectations from the aware citizens in the form of duties is also categorically mentioned. Apart from giving you the rights. So I am giving a glimpse of that. Fundamental duties of Indian citizen. Number one is to abide by the Constitution and respect its rules and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem, and to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of the India, and to promote harmony and spirit of the common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic and regional or sectorial diversities, to renounce practices derogatory to dignity of the women, to protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife, and to have compassion for having respect to the living creatures, and to safeguard public property and to abjure violence, and to cherish and follow the noble ideas which inspired our national struggle for the freedom, to defend the country and render national services when called upon to do so, and to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, to develop the scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform, and to strive towards the excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity, so that the nation constantly rises to higher levels of endeavor and achievement. So these are the fundamental duties which, as a aware citizen, we have to undergo. So this is what the duties are.
सर थोड़ा सा कैमरा एडजस्ट करेंगे, वो सेंटर कीजिए अपना, थोड़ा साइड में हो जा रहा है. या दैट्स बेटर, दैट्स बेटर. Yes, sir.
So I have attended two classes in the morning where this preamble and the duties of the Indian citizens were read out by the students. So it was indeed a very nice gesture. And few of you have also shared the videos and the audio clips just to commemorate the Indian Constitution Day. On this very day, the Constitution of India was formulated and came into of the world. So this was all over this Indian Constitution Day celebration. And if any more program are there, so Aditya Vikram ji is supposed to throw light on that.
Sir, there is no other program. In fact, we were asked to read the preamble, and it was to be read not only by the staff but the students as well. We can highlight some other features of our constitution, which is a blend and which has borrowed important features from the constitution of many countries. For example, the Constitution of Ireland. Fundamentals we have borrowed from the Constitution of USSR, and then fundamentals from America. And amendment, Article 360 has been borrowed from the Constitution of South Africa. So in this way, our leaders of in the leadership of
emergency provisions from Germany.
yes, pardon, sir.
Emergency provisions have been taken from Germany, sir.
Oh, okay.
Absolutely right, sir. Absolutely right, sir. Absolutely right, sir. So, in the pioneer leadership of the period, tried to make a constitution which addresses the interest of all people in a diverse country like India has. So, sir, we had this program for the day today. अगर कोई चाहता है,
Thank you very much.
आप पूछे।
Thank you.
साइंस डिपार्टमेंट से अगर कोई कुछ कहना चाहता है तो वेलकम है, अदरवाइज वी शुड कंक्लूड द प्रोग्राम. Anybody else? So, sir, with your